What is Courseware? A software designed specifically for use in a classroom or other educational setting containing instructional material, educational software, or audiovisual materials. Courseware is a term used to describe software resources which are used for computer-assisted learning (CAL) to mediate or support a course or module. About Courseware. Courseware is educational material intended as kits for teachers or trainers or as tutorials for students, usually packaged for use with a computer. Courseware can encompass any knowledge area, but information technology subjects are most common. Courseware is frequently used for delivering education about the personal computer and its most popular business applications such as word processing and spreadsheet programs. Courseware is also widely used in information technology industry certification programs such as the Microsoft Certified System Engineer (MCSE) and the Computing Technology Industry Association A+ examination. Courseware can include materials for instructor-led classes, material for self-directed computer-based training (CBT), websites that offer interactive tutorials, materials that is coordinated with distance learning such as live classes conducted over the internet, videos for use individually or as part of classes. 15 inspiring examples of free online education. 1. Khan Academy. 2. MIT OpenCourseWare. 3. Berkeley Webcast. 4. Tufts OpenCourseWare. 5. OpenCourseWare Consortium. 6. Academic Earth. 7. Textbook Revolutions. 8. Project Gutenberg. 9. iTunes U. 10. OpenLearn. 11. Watch Known Learn. 12. University or the People. 13. TED. 14. Wikiversity. And 15. Instructables. Can you memorize what is Courseware? Software designed specifically for use in a classroom or other educational setting containing instructional materials, educational software, or audiovisual materials. Courseware is a term used to describe software resources which are used for computer-assisted learning (CAL) to mediate or support a course or module. For inspiration, accept responsibility for your life. Know that it is you who will get you where you want to go, no one else. Les Brown.